Right, shall we get started? Yes, Ms. Chairperson. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for coming today. Last month, we met here for a executive meeting to discuss about the plans we want to implement in order to increase the sales of our company. Uh, all the committee members are here, Nur Shafika? Yes, Miss. Good. Do you all have a copy of previous minutes of meeting?
Yes.
Yes, Miss.
Good. Are there any amendments in that previous minutes of meeting?
No, Miss.
No, miss. No, miss.
Since there are no amendments, can anyone propose the minutes to be passed as a true record?
I propose the minutes to be passed as a true record.
And I second the motion.
Thank you, Fahima and Asma. I'm sure everyone have updates on their responsibilities. Let's move on to our monthly financial reports. Cynthia, can you explain about our financial reports?
Thank you, Ms. Chairperson. I will present my screen. Can you all see?
Okay.
Is that clear? Okay.
Yes, Miss
This is
Cynthia.
our This is our last month's review of finance. This is 14 November until 14 December 2020. As you can see here, the graph is increasing until the highlighted part, which shows that we have already achieved our market objectives. This is a remarkable big achievement for our company. Based on the statistics, this is due to the people's mindset during the 12.12 sales day, which our product was also included. However, the big challenge that will come upon us is how to maintain the continuity like this graph for this month. I am sure that Ms. Asma, our Vice President of Marketing, is in line of this.
Oh, yes, miss. My team and I will surely maintain the graph in the upcoming year. We are planning to increase the advertisement of our product to get more reach globally.
That's a great news, Cynthia. I'm sure Asma and the team will surely maintain the graph for the upcoming year. Asma, how are you going to increase the advertisement regarding our products?
Ms. President, regarding EFC's multivitamins marketing project, our team are planning to rent an advertisement board located at Jalan Makmur's high traffic area. I have made an appointment with Ahmad Graphic Company to discuss about our new banners design. Do you have any additional information that you want us to put on the banner, or should I stick to our current ones?
That was an amazing idea, Asma. Actually, I also wanted to bring up that plan in this meeting today. Thank you for bringing up it earlier. Coming to the advertisement, add in some reviews from our customers, from the younger customers as well as the older customers. This will surely attract the passerbys in that area.
Sure, Ms. President. And actually, my assistant, Mr. Lee, had suggested to advertise our product on YouTube as well. We had already provided all information about the team and the budget needed for this project in the proposal I sent to you last week. All we need is your approval, Ms. President.
Oh, regarding Mr. Lee, I heard that his father passed away 2 days ago. It is surely a big loss for him. Hope he recovers from the loss.
Yes, I already visited him yesterday, and I'm pleased to see that his condition is getting better.
That's good to hear. You could proceed with the plan because we have enough budget for the advertisement, Miss Asma.
Thank you, Ms. President. And regarding our plan to advertise EFC's products in TV commercials, I'm afraid we don't have enough budget to aim for prime time commercial, since it's a lot more expensive than usual. What is your thought about this matter?
Regarding this, Cynthia, do we have enough budget for this prime time commercial? And I also want to ask opinions from other members regarding this advertisement. This will help me to make a clear and better decision.
Oh, well, since we gained such the profit from the last month, I am sure that we have enough budget for the commercial, so Miss Asma can rest assured. I will plan the budget with my department to ensure that we can conduct the advertising plan at the lowest possible cost, yet maintaining the probability of the success.
I think this prime time commercial is not necessary, miss, because it will only be advertised at that particular time, and only some people will watch at that time.
I absolutely agree with Miss Abirami because I think YouTube advertisement itself is enough to advertise our products globally.
Thank you for your opinions, my dear members. I think so. We need to cancel our plan to advertise our products in primetime commercial, and we can allocate the funds to other necessary and important plans. Uh, Abi, may I know about the matters arising from your side?
Miss President, there has been many safety issues reported throughout this year, mostly due to mishandling of chemicals. Miss Fahima, has this happened in your department as well?
Yes, Miss Abirami, it has happened to my team a couple of times. I assume it might be because of the low quality of products we are using, but I'm quite unsure. Even though they were all minor accidents, I'm afraid that it would turn into a major one if we didn't take actions as soon as possible.
Oh, I see, Miss Fahima, and I totally agree with you with taking action as soon as possible. Most of the employees burnt their hands and needed immediate medical attention, and they have been safely taken to the hospital. This is mainly due to the material of the glove. They get torn quite easily, but I am very satisfied to inform all of you that no casualties has been reported so far.
Miss Abi, pardon me, can I say something about the quality of the glove? If that is the causes of the injuries, then I will have to file a complaint to the glove supplier regarding this. However, if these issues still continue, then I think we should change the supplier itself. What is your view on this, Miss Abi?
I absolutely agree with you, Miss Cynthia. If the complaint does not work, it's better to change the supplier.
I agree with Miss Cynthia too. We should complain a file against the glove supplier because products that are being supplied to the pharmaceutical company should be of high quality as our employees' health is at risk while handling the hazardous chemicals in our company.
Oh, I see. Thanks, Miss Abi and Miss Asma, for bringing up this issue to my consideration. For me, our employees' safety comes first. I agree with Cynthia's opinion that we need to file a complaint against this gloves quality, and if the mistakes keep on repeating, then I need to cancel the contract of the suppliers. Um, have your team come up with any idea to solve the problem, Miss Abirami?
Yes, Miss Sangita, my team and I have come up to a decision to provide better quality gloves as well as and goggles for our employees. This will ensure their safety and health level in a greater way. Is this decision fine with you, Miss? I'm sorry.
Sure, Abby. Do continue with the plans. I want my employees to work in a safe environment. Since you bring up the safety issues, I would like to ask Miss Asma regarding the issues about the equipments.
Yes, actually, Ms. President, the marketing department might need to add more equipments for advertising, such as camera stand and microphone, since our team are getting bigger and most of the time we cannot finish our work at the same time because we need to take turns in using said equipments.
Oh, okay, Asma. I will look into it later. Can you please list down the equipment that you need and send it to my table by tomorrow?
Sure, miss, I will do that.
Is there anything else you would like to share, Miss Abirami?
Yes, miss. The demand for our multivitamins is getting higher and higher day by day. Other than that, customers are also demanding for more products other than just our multivitamins through their feedback.
Well, that sounds great because my team and I have been discussing to start working on other products such as ointments and some skincare products. And I'm very happy to hear that the customers are waiting for this too.
That's wonderful, Miss Fahima. I feel very elated to hear this too. Miss Asma, maybe you can start creating a teaser advertisement for the new products?
Well, sure, that will be very exciting. I will have it done by next week together with my team.
I'm surely impressed with the progress here. Miss Abirami, what solution have you come up with?
My team and I decided to nurture a stronger bond with our partners, such as pharmacists and doctors, to know more about our customers' expectations from our company, Miss Sangita.
That's a nice idea, Miss Abirami. Is there anything else you would like to share about?
Sure, Miss President. Last but not least, due to this pandemic, we are also facing shortage of laborers in our team. We still need human capabilities to analyze and solve problems as well as manage outputs, despite having robots.
I see. Have you thought of any solutions yet, Miss Abi?
Yes, Miss. Therefore, we were discussing to create partnerships with community colleges and universities by granting an opportunity to the fresh graduates to complete their internship with us. Furthermore, we would also provide our new and existing employees with regular training to help increase their potential.
Sure, Abi. I'm looking forward to work with fresh graduates and to observe their skills as well. I will implement all your suggestions as soon as possible.
Allow me to interrupt. I would like to ask Miss Abi about our multivitamins free sample. I wonder if the productions department can provide more free samples so we can distribute it to the newly opened hospitals and clinics in Negeri Sembilan.
Oh, about that, Miss Asma, there will be no problem at all because the multivitamins are being produced at higher rate compared to last month. Our production of multivitamin has doubled up this month due to the high demand in market.
All right, thank you, Miss Abi.
All right, that Fahima, uh, what is the progress of research and development team?
Well, Miss, as we all know, we have successfully developed a new drug after years of researching. Before ending this research, we have to decide on the name and labels of the drugs before I hand over this research to Miss Abirami to produce a few samples of drug for the verification process by the Drug Control Authority. My research and development team have come up with a list of names, doses, and prescription for the drug labeling process. Ms. Chairperson, I have sent the document to you. Please take a look at it.
Oh, the document is here with me. Um, mm, Miss Fahima, could you add in more names into the list? I would like to have few more options because it is very important research for our company.
Sure, Miss, I'll do that.
Make sure the drugs names doesn't look or sound alike because it increases the risk of medication errors. How much time does your team need to come up with a new list?
We will get it done by before our next monthly meeting, Miss Sangita.
Okay, I guess it is all right since we are not in a rush. Miss Abirami, does it affect your team schedule that the research is being delayed for a month?
No, it doesn't, Miss. My team's schedule is under control.
All right then, Miss Fahima, is there any other updates?
Yes, Miss, I do have another update regarding our other research activities that we've been working on. There are six of them in total, excluding our recently developed drug. I would like to announce the good news that we have reached the final stage for three of these research activities.
Excellent. That is a great news indeed. I'm really happy for that.
Yes, Miss, these three research activities will be done by third week from now.
Great. Miss Abirami and Miss Asma, please take note of this. You will have to start the advertising and production of this research soon.
Sure, miss. I will inform my team right away after this meeting.
With pleasure, Miss. I do have some interesting ideas to be included in our new marketing campaign.
Miss, regarding the other three unfinished researches, I'm afraid we might have some financial issues to continue the research as we need more supplies of the required products. I suggest that maybe we could find some sponsorship because our company name has been rising in the market, and I think it wouldn't be very hard to find some sponsors.
All right then. I will try to find for some new sponsors. Cynthia, can you get a list of new sponsors by next week?
Sure, Miss. My department will work on this. While can Miss Asma's department create an interesting advertisement to attract new sponsors? And while I try to contact several trusted companies to fund the researchers. However, I would like to ask, do any of you guys have any suggestion in choosing which company should be included into the list?
Well, sure, Miss Cynthia. My department will work on the advertisement and share the result to you by the end of this week so you can give us some ideas for improvement.
I've heard of a company that has funded many research programs of uh, other pharmaceutical companies out there. Miss Cynthia, I think you can try contacting the headquarters of Mark Inc. Company.
Sure, I will add the company's name into the list if all of here agree as well.
Excuse me, but I will have to oppose Miss Abi's suggestion about Mark In Company because I've been hearing some rumors about the company's current financial status. So I thought we shouldn't ask for sponsors from company with bad reputation.
I have another suggestion of a company that I know very well of, which is the Technifity Group. I have done a lot of research about that company while I was studying for my final year project, and it is very well known for its sponsorship. I think I still do have the research papers with me. Miss Cynthia, would you like me to send you those important information regarding the sponsorship of Technifity Group?
Sure, thank you, Miss Fahima. That is a great help.
Sure, then I'll send you it as soon as possible.
Yes,
Okay.
I agree with Miss Fahima's opinion. I also have heard a few positive feedbacks regarding that company, and I also have my colleagues who are having partnerships with that company. They also gave me a good feedback about the company. So please add in the name of Technifity Group in the list, Miss Cynthia.
Sure, Miss. My department will work on this and we will send you the latest list as soon as possible.
Thank you, Miss Cynthia. Is there any other questions or any other matters arising from your team or any other budget locations you guys want to share?
No,
No,
miss.
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 We will meet again here on 5th February for next month's reports and plans. I will send notice prior to the meeting. Okay, well then, thank you for coming, my dear members. Will someone propose the meeting to be adjourned?
I propose the meeting to be adjourned.
How about the second?
I second the motion.
Thank you. The meeting is adjourned. Have a nice day, everyone.
Thank you,
Thank
Miss
You,
you,
President.
You
you
too,
too.
miss. You too, miss.